In this video, we are going to do an overview of the Elementor hosting for WordPress. So let's get started. So as you guys know that Elementor has hosting service for WordPress websites, and it's quite good. So in this video, we are going to get some hands-on experience on the Elementor hosting for WordPress and see what it's all about. So in the website, we can see that you can start with the Elementor hosting just for $2.99 a month with a free domain for the first year. And it also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, this is a completely hosted WordPress website. So if we scroll down, we can see the pricing, but we will get to this later on. Let's first see the features. Now, it's said to be really fast. It has fast page load times, which will lead to higher SEO ranking. And it's also said to have unbeatable performance. So we will get features like Enterprise CDN by Cloudflare, powerful Google Cloud Platform, advanced caching, zero handshake TLS, 99.9% uptime, and automated daily backups. We will also have the website automatic scaling technology. So we will have features like built-in auto scale technology, and everything will be completely automated. So there's no need to monitor resources for our campaigns. And we will always be available because the advanced built-in load balancer ensures the high availability of our website. So our website will be online all the time. Also, it has some other features such as the enterprise grade security. So with it, you will find a free SSL, you'll get the WAF and DDoS protection, multi-factor authentication, auto security updates, botnet attack protection, and 24/7 monitoring. You'll also be able to migrate to the Elementor hosted websites for free. You'll also have 24/7 expert support. So whenever you need the help of experts, you can get it. And of course, Elementor will already be installed on your website. With Elementor, you can build your website faster and customize it to make it your own. So there are no hidden fees. You will know what you're being billed for, what you are purchasing with your money. Now, all plans include world-class hosting features, enterprise-grade security, and best of WordPress and Elementor. So you get all these features with any of the plans you purchase. Okay, we have actually signed into our Elementor hosting control panel, and we already have created a website over here. So it's really easy to add a hosted website. You can just click on this create a hosted website button. Once you have created this, you can edit with Elementor, you can open WP dashboard, and you can also click on manage this website. So if we click on manage this website, it's going to take us to this section. Here we can manage all our websites. Currently we have only one website. If you have more websites, you can view it over here. We also can connect it to a domain just by clicking over here. We also have a safe and secured SSL for this website. We can also edit our homepage from here, but on the right hand side, we can see there are a few steps of launching your site. We can create a website, give our site a name, edit our homepage, and connect a domain. So we have only completed the first step. To launch our site completely, we need to complete all four. Now, for hosting tools, we can create a staging environment, we can migrate our site, we can open our database, we can also show SFTP details. If we want, we can also block our site from search engines by switching on the privacy mode. Here we can also look at other hosting information, and we can see the security features that we read about. Now, if we click on domains, we can connect our site to a domain from here as well. And here is the email authentication part. Here it says, this authentication ensures that emails will be sent from the custom domain you set in WordPress and third-party apps, and not your default Elementor domain. So if you want to use this, first you have to connect to a domain before you can authenticate these emails. Now we can also take backups of our site. Now there's also automatic backups. You can see we already have an automatic backup. And we also did a manual backup, so all the records can be found from here. You can also create a backup instantly just by clicking on this button. We can also install different plugins from here. So all the plugins are stated over here, and we can also see the status of the plugins and if the automatic updates are on. So everything can be found over here. We can also add a plugin just by clicking on this button. In the advanced tab, we have a lot of options to go through. So for the hosting tools, from here we can create a staging environment, but with our current plan, it's not available. You can also set up an SFTP and transfer files between your local computer and your websites. So you can click on show details and it will show the details. In the performance tab, we can find performance features such as the page caching, block from search engines. We can also clear WordPress revision history and enable media fallback. And if we switch on to the security tab, here we can reset WP login attempts. We can block XML RPC. So this blocks unauthorized apps from accessing your site remotely. And we can also limit traffic by country. So if we click on edit, we will be able to block countries. So we can choose if we want to allow all countries, if we want to block selected countries, or if we want to allow selected countries. So if we enable this, and we can select which countries will be able to access our website, or we can also block countries from here as well. We can take a look at the PHP configuration over here, and from the site management, we can delete our website, or we can delete content only. So this is also a great feature. From the team section, we can invite members, we can open in our WP admin. So here we can see all the users, all the team members are added over here. If we want, we can also invite members. We can just simply type in their email address and click on send invite. Okay, and you will be able to collaborate with your teammates and work on your site. And of course, if you want, you can get help from the support. Just by clicking over here, you can access the support system. It's available for you 24/7. Now from here, we can also access the billing section. From here, we can see our plan, and we can also upgrade if we want. We can also click on manage the subscription to manage our subscription. We can also see the billing details over here. And in the services tab, we can find out some more services. For example, we will be able to get initial site setup. You can get help from the Elementor experts. You can also get hands-on Elementor lessons. So if you want to learn how to use Elementor, there are experts available who can teach you. You can also consult with an Elementor expert. You can get a priority site migration, responsive design setup, and a lot more services from here. We can also look at the add-ons. If we go over here, we can take a look at the add-ons such as Site Mailer, and there are more add-ons such as Draw Attention, WP Optimize, Weglot, Amelia, WP Data Tables, Solid WP, and much more. So if we want to customize our site, we can just simply click over here in the website, and we can open up our WP dashboard. So if we click on it, it's going to use a neat feature and safely sign us into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so from here, you can already visit your site, and here's our site. It has loaded up. This is just default site created with Elementor. You can see that it's working really nice. Let's get back to our dashboard, and from here we can see that Elementor is already installed. We can go to hosting options, and we can take a look at the different services such as hosting settings, backups, connect to a domain, create staging area, and advanced caching. So now let's actually take a look at the pricing of the Elementor hosting. So if we scroll down over here, we can see that prices are really great. So it starts from the light plan, which is $2.99 a month. Usually it's $11.99, but you can save 75% with this. With this single plan, you will get 10K monthly visits, 5 GB storage, 10 GB per month bandwidth, 1 day backup, free migration, and so much more services. If you get the most popular plan, which is the basic, it's available for $9.99 a month, but usually it's $14.99. So there's a discount of 33%, and with it, you can get a lot more. This includes the Pro Builder. The light version actually includes the Core Builder, but this one includes the Pro Builder. Now, this gives you much more features. If we take a look at over here, it says you get 89 widgets, responsive designs, form builder, and dynamic contents. And the business plan, if we take a look at it, it's normally $24.99, but with a 20% discount, you can get it for $19.99 a month. Now with this, you get the Pro Builder Advanced. The difference is you get 118 widgets, you get custom codes and CSS, you get the form builder and pop-up builder. You also get e-commerce features. So these are something new. And for the premium support, the other one you had for all services 1 member, and with this plan you get support for 2 members. And finally, the Grow plan, it's normally available for $32.99, but with a 30% discount you can get it for $22.99 a month. Now this also includes the multi-website plans, and it starts from 3 sites only, but if you want 10 sites or 30 sites, you can select it from here. And with each plan, so if we click on 10, we can see we get more monthly visits, more storage, more bandwidth. And if we talk about the Pro website builder, we get all of these that we got on the business plan. Now there are a lot more things that we get. If you guys want to explore yourselves, you can visit the link in our video description and explore all the plans and compare all the plans yourself. So that was the overview of the Elementor hosting for WordPress. We hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. So thank you for watching. See you next time.